Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 21, 2024, 5-star Sudoku. Fifth row, we own on 7. So 1 and 7 can't come. These cells, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column B, third grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come. These cells, 1 will come in one of these cells. Column E, also we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come. These cells, then 3 confirm here. Fifth grade, we have 709. So 709 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then fifth grade, two numbers are remaining. 4 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column F, we have 2, 5, 3, 9. It can't come in this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then seventh row, only one number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 219. So 219 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, two numbers are remaining. 1 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column G, column H. 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column G, column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Fifth row, sixth row, we have 8. Column I also we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column G, fifth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 4 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then column I, only one number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column F, two numbers are remaining. 4 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Second grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 8, 6. Third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Seventh row, column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th row, 8th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Ninth row, only one number is remaining. 5 is confirmed here. Seventh row, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column A, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th row, only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column B, 4th row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 6th row we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come this cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column H we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 6th grade. Only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column C, we have 9, so 9 can't come, this line is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column G, we have 9, so 9 can't come, this line is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8, it will come in one of these cells. Third row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Second row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Third row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Third row, only one number is remaining, 7, 7 is confirmed here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 7. First row, we have 1 and 7, so 1 and 7 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of these cells. First grade, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 2, 2 is confirmed here. First row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column A, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. First grade. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column A, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B, only one number is remaining, 4, 4 is confirmed here. Fourth row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Fourth row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column A, fourth row and fourth grade, only one number is remaining, 2, 2 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.